Grameen Udyami Project, Phase 2. To promote skill development and entrepreneurship among tribal youth and to promote Skill India Mission, National Skill Development Corporation in partnership with Seva Bharti and Yuva Vikas Society, recently launched Phase 2 of Grameen Udyami Project in Ranchi. In the first phase of this training, participants from rural and tribal areas of Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat were included. Under which training of 157 participants in 7 groups started in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh in the month of May, 2022 and about 133 participants completed the training successfully on June 27, 2022. After which its second phase was started in Ranchi. Skill development and entrepreneurship of tribal youth will be empowered through this training program. The goal behind this training is to make India self-reliant even in rural areas. The scheme, implemented by Union Minister of State Shri Rajiv Chandra Sarkar and tribal MP